What was your favorite season of Game of Thrones? Full conversations?
Yes. An entire conversation, and at the same time, you like the way this dick felt?
He was going back and forth between regular stuff and sex. That's even funnier.
So was it tough for you growing up with your aunt? How my dick feel? Did you get along with your sisters? That's wild.
You keep going back to how does my
Random
dick feel?
conversations, man.
I gotta go to sex, and then I want to get to know you on an underneath.
Your pussy juicy. Speaking of juice, what was your favorite juice